Are you ready to look at some of the wigs I wore in September? Well, let's get started. Well, if you followed along with me for any time, you know every month I do a short video showing some of the wigs I wore in the previous month. And y'all, how is it already October? I don't know. This year has flown by so fast, but I wanted to take the opportunity to show you a few of the wigs I wore last month in September. Now, as you know, this is short, this is fast, this is not a wig review. If you're new to my channel, let me explain quickly how this works. I've already reviewed all these wigs. If you see one of these wigs that you want to know more about, all you have to do is type the name of the wig in the search bar of my channel and the full review will pop up, and that's going to give you all the details. Color, show you the color indoor and outdoor, cap, construction, fit, permatease, everything's in the full review. This is not that. This is just quickly showing you some of the fun wigs I enjoyed in the previous month. All right, let's start it out with this. John Renault Holly, this color is 12, FS12. This has become one of my favorite wigs. I have it in 2 colors and 1 more color on order. I love everything about this wig. I've got a video coming out soon that is going to show both colors in great detail. This one has been so much fun. This is Raquel Welch Posh Premier and Shaded Ice Cappuccino. I love the neckline on this one. I love this long sweeping bang. It can be worn so many different ways. This is such a beautiful style. This is Beltress Newport, and this color is Raw Sugar Blonde Rooted. Now, another Beachy wave. You'll see a trend here. I have lots of Beachy wave wigs. In the beginning, just to give you an example how things change. When Beachy waved wigs first came out, I thought, nope, not for me, don't like them. Now I'm like, give them every one, I want them all. So I have fallen in love with the Beachy wave, and I think the reason is I like the messiness of it. If you follow me again, if you follow me for any time, I don't like fixed hair. I like, for me, that's my opinion. For me, I don't like fixed hair. I want my hair to look natural. My hair is always messy, so that's a look I like. So it's the joy and the beauty of being a wig wearer. You can change your look every day, multiple times a day. I do. Sometimes I wear a short straight wig, a long straight wig, a short curly wig, a wavy wig. It is just wonderful. Enjoy your own wig journey. Newport has been, I think, a huge bestseller. It comes in a ton of colors. It's just an easy to wear style. This is Aesthetica Jones in R30 2826. I think Jones has been so popular because, number one, it's a little more affordable. It is full of permatease. If you don't like permatease, this is in no way going to be your wig. This wig has a lot of permatease, which I happen to love. Don't have a problem with that, but I always like to call that to your attention. But it, again, is just messy, fun, throw it on and go. Again, a bestseller for Aesthetica. I also have this in a gray, which is really pretty. Comes in tons of colors. I fell in love with this right out of the box. This is Beltress San Francisco, part of the City Collection. Milkshake Blonde Rooted. Y'all, this is such a fun, short style. I think, I love everything about it. It fits well, the color's beautiful. I love the sweeping bang. It just works. Has a nice nape on this one as well that fits very close to the neckline. I just don't think you can go wrong with this one. Okay, this is Aesthetica Arlo RH1488 RT8, super popular color. Y'all, I want this wig in a gray. I saw someone wearing it a couple days ago in the gray, and that's my next purchase. Lots of movement, lots of curl in this one. It's got a beautiful, beautiful hairline. If you love these curly types of wigs, have a look at Arlo. I think Ellen Villa hit a home run with this one. This is their VV monopart. This one is heat friendly. The color is Smoke Frosted. I love this color. There's been so much buzz around this color when this style came out. I think we needed a color like this. I haven't seen one quite like this. It is blended beautifully, just absolutely beautiful. I hope they expand this color into all of their collection. Y'all, this wig to me just feels like a beautiful natural head of hair. I think this is gorgeous. This is Beltress Esty in Chocolate Buttercream R. There is so much movement in this. Look at the wave pattern in this wig. It is gorgeous. I love the color with the highlighting around the face. 10 out of 10. This is always going to be one of my favorites. I think I have it in at least 3 colors, maybe 4. Ellen Villa Leah Mono 2, Light Bernstein Rooted. There's just something about these blunt bobs that I really like. I'm just drawn to them. I think they're fun. I think that they're easy to wear. They're easy to style. You can put it behind your ears. If you love low density, this is your wig. You know, I think I've shown you a variety of things. I have shown you open wefted. I've shown you low density, things with lots of permatease. Again, the beauty of the wig journey, something for everyone. All right, let's finish it up with a wow wig. This is Raquel Welch, Flip the Script, Shaded Iced Latte Macchiato. Wow. I love this wig. I love everything about it, y'all. The flip. I'm all about a wig that has a flip. I love them. I think there's so much movement here. The curl pattern's beautiful. The color's beautiful. If you like a longer style like this, have a look at this wig. Now, what I want to know from you in the comments below, what was your favorite wig that you wore in September? Any style, any color, any brand? I want to know what was your favorite wig that you wore in September, and I will let you know next month. I'm going to take a little poll here, and we'll see what your favorite wig was. Thank you so much for watching today and for joining me. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you soon.